Hey there, language lovers! Ditch the generic phrasebooks today. We're diving into the apps that actually work for Lithuanian in 2025. This Baltic language might pack 7 cases and tongue-twisting consonants, but we've tested dozens of tools to find the ones that transform those challenges into conquerable milestones. Whether you're tracing your Baltic roots or just tired of learning the same mainstream languages as everyone else, let's explore the digital tools that make Lithuanian surprisingly accessible. Let's start with Ling, the ultimate app for immersive learning. With over 200 bite-sized lessons available on your smartphone or tablet, Ling is perfect for beginners and advanced learners alike. What makes it stand out? First, it has interactive learning features, including mini-games, quizzes, and chatbot conversations that help you practice real-life scenarios like ordering food or asking for directions. Every lesson includes high-quality audio from native Lithuanian speakers, plus exercises to help you master the script. And it's not about the language. Ling also gives you grammar tips and culture notes to deepen your understanding. And the best part, Ling offers a 7-day free trial so you can explore everything before committing. If you're ready to get started, click the link in the description below to begin your free trial today. Next up is Mondly, a well-known app for learning languages in a fun and engaging way. It offers daily lessons and AI chatbots that simulate real conversations, helping you improve your speaking skills. The speech recognition technology ensures your pronunciation is on point, and if you're looking for something a little more interactive, the augmented reality mode makes learning feel even more immersive. Mondly is a great choice for beginners or anyone who wants a structured learning path with a bit of gamification. If speaking Lithuanian is your main goal, then Pimsleur is a fantastic option. This app focuses entirely on audio-based learning, which makes it perfect for busy learners. The lessons are designed to be 30 minutes long so you can easily fit them into your daily routine. It also uses a spaced repetition system, which means you'll keep reinforcing new words and phrases as you progress. And the best part, there's a hands-free mode so you can practice while commuting, exercising, or doing everyday tasks. Pimsleur is a bit more expensive than the other options, but if your goal is to start speaking Lithuanian quickly, it's definitely worth considering. If you prefer one-on-one lessons, then you'll love iTalki. This app connects you to real Lithuanian tutors who create personalized lessons based on your needs. The best part is the flexibility. You can schedule lessons whenever it suits you, and since there are a variety of tutors, you can choose one that fits your learning style and budget. If you want direct feedback from a native speaker, this is the way to go. Learn Lithuanian, Speak Lithuanian is designed to help beginners quickly pick up useful lessons in real-life situations. The lessons are structured around common topics like greetings, travel, shopping, and dining, making it perfect for travelers or anyone looking to start conversations in Lithuanian. What makes this app stand out? Native speaker audio, interactive exercises, and structured lessons that help reinforce learning. You can practice pronunciation with listen and repeat drills, and the flashcards feature ensures you retain new words effectively. While it doesn't dive deep into grammar, it's perfect for those who want to learn speaking Lithuanian right away. And last but not the least, we have 50 Languages, a versatile app that provides structured learning for beginners and intermediate learners. This app offers a variety of learning formats. You can practice with audio lessons, printable exercises, and even text-based dialogues. It also supports multiple languages, making it a great choice for multilingual learners who want to compare Lithuanian with another language they already know. The lessons are designed to follow the Common European Framework of Reference for Languages, or CEFR, allowing you to track your progress from A1, beginner, to B2, upper intermediate. If you prefer a step-by-step approach to language learning, this app is an excellent free resource to explore. So there you have it, the top apps to learn Lithuanian in 2025. Ling, Mondly, Pimsleur, iTalki, Learn Lithuanian, Speak Lithuanian, and 60 Languages. Each one has its strength, but if I had to pick the best overall, Ling is definitely my top recommendation. It offers a mix of interactive lessons, real conversations, and cultural insights that make learning enjoyable and effective. If you're ready to start your Lithuanian journey, click the link in the description below to begin your 7-day free trial today with Ling. Thanks for watching, happy learning, and see you in the next video.